Intense na intense ang huling mga segundo ng laban mga idol. Muntikan na ang Rosal Poultry Farm matalo sa kanilang kalaban na mga mas batang manlalaro. Ang libreng fast break layup ni Idol Mengito ay nagmintis. One shot lang ang kanilang lamang dito at may 15 seconds pa na lalabing oras. Panoorin ang last quarter ng laro nila kontra Team ARQ Builders na puro rookies ang manlalaro galing sa University of San Carlos, Cebu. Tara at panoorin ang highlights sa laban na to sa Asturias Open Invitational Tournament 2026. Team Rosal mga veterans sa panalay na pinanguluhan ni Coach Chelito Caro. Silipin ang bawang pangyayari sa last 7 minutes ng larong to mga idol. Ang score ay 80 ARQ Builders at 82 sa Rosal Poultry. Grabe intense na intense ang naging ending dito mga idol. Nakuha pa lumamang ng 10 puntos ang ARQ. Pero hindi talaga gusto ng mga veterans na matatalo sila. Kaya grabe ang ginawang depensa ng Team Rosal para unti-unting idikit ang score.
And that will go. Bradais against Espina. Jenmar locates Enriquez for the long jumper. Undershoot. And the ball will pick up with Uringo. It goes now to Espina. Espina moving to the left. For Enriquez. They go down to Uringo for the ball up. 6 minutes and 32 seconds remaining of the ball game. They go now to number 2. Avila, yes sir. Joining the party now of the Builders. Stevnas, moving out, moving in, locates Allen Bolanadi, side pocket, no good. And a foul, double foul. James Higa. Higa in motion, he passed to the side, number 2 is playing Avila, yes sir. Avila. So the lead now was extended to 7 points. Enriquez and a block by Avila. Perfect timing by Avila. And the ball now goes to it's Higa. Avila. Aurio. Higa from the far away. Got it! Big hits by James Higa. At the bottom. The end in. Who seeks this time by Tangkay, pull away, pull up short. The ball now goes to Mengito. Big pass to Enriquez. Enriquez, one way take it, yes! Say yes, for Stevnas Enriquez. Now to me, 92-84. 4 minutes and a half left at the contest. It's John Rin Tangkay sitting at the table for the Builders. Tangkay, behind back, between the legs, the big control, anticipated, they go down to Stevnas, Stevnas, no hit, it's Bradais falling away, yes sir! It's a 4 points in a row. Interception, careless pass for the Builders, Bradais for 3, nothing good, the ball picked up by Avila. Here comes the Builders. 8 seconds violation.
Tayo, okay, 2 points tayo ha, pag wala ha, pag may open 3, TX, pag wala guys, 3 minutes pa yan o, alin lang yan labaw. Kailangan natin dumating inside. Marami sa mosquito, matay sa mosquito. Magpatanik. 2 minutes.
Spin alam yung sa cross na timeline, sa pressure defense. Tawakal, Heka, Bagunawa, pick and roll, Bagunawa is playing, yes! It's a well-designed play by Coach Six. Bolanadi, up by 8 points right now. Allen Bolanadi, puts it up. It's a fishing expedition by Bolanadi, and it draws contact. And Allen Bolanadi hits a big fish in the name of E.G. Bakunao. There's a save by Paolo. Yes. By Allen Bolanadi, and a foul against number 10. It's Tangkay. Nice. It's Allen for the bonus. No problem. 94-91. 3 minutes exactly. It's almost, but not quite. It's James Hega escaping. Hega, nice to miss Pina, long corner, no, it's overshoot. Ano mo nabigyan mo Jeman? Jeman takes it away. Pagais. Yes! The ball was a little slippery. And Bulan. And the ball now receives by number 22, Navarro. Navarro brings it on. Pick up his leg. Pass it over now to James Hega. Hega versus Allen Fernandez. Hega, long trigger, and a shoot. Ang ball sa suspending dito. Dito na Enriquez. Enriquez for the push. Enriquez. Dances. There he moves. Spinning. One-hander. No. Bintino to the rescue. Down to 1. 94-93. Is number 32. No good. It's a misfire by Navarro. It's a wide open shot by Navarro. Last 2 minutes. Up by just 1. ARQ. Enriquez will set up the table versus Espina. Stenas, there he goes the ball. He finds Bragais, nice pass! Change the ball. Sa Coco yung basket na yung kita. 95-94. It's number 1. Higa. Kung nasa kanya siya na. The substitution. Here's the 9. A good position of ARQ. As the lead switches back to Rosal Peltri. 5 to shoot. Takbay, pulling away. No, good. Rosal takes it of the rebound. Everybody, hold your breath. This is a 1-point affair. Take it or limits. Limit or not. The lead has switched back to Rosal Peltri Park. Enriquez, separation move. No! And the ball, pick up this Rio. It goes now to Enriquez. James Enriquez is escaping. Enriquez. No! 45 seconds. Enriquez, Pagais, take home straight. This is 94-97. The big turn around the event.
Coach! Yan, bawon. Kunya na, bawon mo si Kon. Pag-opinsa,
Versus Enriquez. Espina. At sa tuloy ng tutanggan. Aurelio. Hega. Hega versus Cabellion. Hega. Attacks. Hega versus Cabellion. And a quick time out. Usa-usa lang, usa-usa. The both teams have still. Again,
Okay, si Nas. No, wala si Sai. Ming. Alin. Cabellion. Okay. Dira na ha. First. Okay. Guys, pakuha hatag ni Alin. Hatag ha. Pag wala. Okay, Nas. Magkana ka dito ha. Jalan. Okay. Tanaw mo. Ay biyahe, big man ha. Ay biyahe.
Nice pass, Nikito, goodbye! What a miss. And foul against number 6.
Asa mula?
15.7 seconds. Here we go. James Higa hits the net. The save is heavy number 2. Ano? A foul. Against number 13 is Pina. A foul inadvertently. So it's Cabellion will take free throws. Sahil Cabellion, yes, the first, up by 2, 11 seconds. So last run now for Cabellion. No good. 10 seconds. Up by just 2. James Higa. Higa, taking. And that will do it. The end of the story. Result 49. Draws first back in our opener tonight.